Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a cute little sandal. I made this sole for 0 to 3 months baby, so I will make another one. We will attach it together. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I am using a 2.5 millimeter needle and yarn, beige color. Now start with 15 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Now skip the first one and make single crochet in the second like this, and make single crochet till to the end of this line. Sorry, make 7 single crochet first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and one more, 7. Now make half double crochet 2 times, 1 in the next stitch 2, and make 1 2 3 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 4, and in the last make 6 double crochet. 1 2. Now I made 6 double crochet in the last chain. Now make 4 double crochet, double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4. Now make 2 half double crochet and make 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 single crochet, and the last one make 3 single crochet. 1 2 and 3, and make a slip stitch. Now chain 1, in the next make single crochet, in the next make 2 single crochet, and chain 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now double crochet excuse me. Now 4 double crochet. Now make double crochet in the next 6 chain. 1 2, in the next 1 2. So make 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. Now complete my 2 double crochet in the 6th chain. Now again make 4 double crochet, now half double crochet for 2 times, 1 2. Now 6 chain single crochet, 6 single crochet in the next 6, 3 4 5, and this one is 6. Now make 2 single crochet in 2 stitches. 1 2, in the next 1 2 and make it slip stitch. Now second row. Now I'm starting my third, chain 3 and make double crochet. In the next, make two double crochet. In the next, 1 double crochet. In the next, 2 double crochet. And now make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 stitches, double crochet in every stitch. Now I did my 10 double crochet in each stitch. Now I make 2 double crochet together in the next stitch, 1 double crochet here, 2 double crochet in the next together, and 1 double crochet in the next. So make for 6 times. Now I did 2 1 2 1 for 6 times. Now make double crochet in the row, do double crochet when you have 4 stitches in the end. Now I will make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet, and then make a slip stitch in the third one. Now this is my sole. Now I put together both sole, and now I will make slip stitch of the red color. This is my red color. Now in the next stitch make slip stitch. In the next make slip stitch. Not too much tight and not too much loose. This is the both stitches of the soles. Now again pull and make slip stitch. In the next this is the next. Like this, make all over till to the end. Now see, I did my all slip stitch all around, then I count 25 from this side to this side. These all stitches are 25. So I will start from the first one, this one. I am using the same color, red one. Now chain 3, 1, I will remove this stitch mark, 1 2 3. Now in the next make double crochet, in the next make double crochet. So do it till to the end of this one. Now I am here to my last stitch. I will remove the stitch marker and make double crochet. Now chain 2 and turn your work. Now make a front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet. So do it till to the next end. Now I did my all back post and front post. Now I will decrease stitches. Now chain 2 and make a back post, hold it. Now again front post. Now I have 3 into 1. Now again back post and front post together. So do it till to the end. Now I made my decreases. Now chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work, turn the yarn for double time, skip first one, in the next make 1, 2 and 3. Now again twist for 2 times, 1, 2 and skip one, skip the next stitch, in the third make triple crochet, 1, 2, skip one, in the next make 1, 2, 3. Again twist for 2 times, skip, in the next make 1, 2, 3. Again skip 1, 2, 3, skip in the last one. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches. Now chain 1, and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the last 7, and pull over in all of this one. Chain 1. Now in the next stitch make slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work, twist for 2 times, in the next make 1, 2, 3, in the next make 1, 2 and 3, and again chain for 3, 1, 2, 3 and make slip stitch here and cut the yarn. Now it will look like this. Now skip 7 stitches from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the 7th insert your hook and now make double crochet and make double crochet till to the other side. Skip 7 stitches from this side too. Now I skip 7 stitches from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7th I stopped my work. So now chain 1 and turn your work and make single crochet all around, all to this end. Now again chain 2, 1, 2 and make double crochet into the all stitches till to the end. Now double crochet, single crochet, double crochet from this side and single crochet from this side. Now I chain 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 3 more. 1 2 3. Now double crochet into the all stitches of the chain. Till to the end. Sorry, I chained it for 20 and I did my all double crochet into the stitches. Now I reach this side, so do double crochet till to the end. Now I finished my this insert in the space. Now it will look like this, little bit more, and this is the end of my shoe. Put button over here, this side. So I finished my cute little sandal, and I hope you will make it for your loved ones. So make it. It is a very cute little sandal. Put a button over here and see how beautiful it is. Thank you for watching. See you in next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.